Hey, it's Browne Earl from Bristol, Virginia here. I just wanted to let y'all know I am back, and I have a lot of hours to catch up on from missing them all with that doctor's appointment, which was fantastic. This is a new doc, and he he reviewed my medicines and said, "Oh, this one's probably doing this, and this one's doing that, and you don't need to take this, and blah 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 blah." He just was so enlightening and is actually doing things to make things better for me. My blood pressure, yes, is 120 over 80. This is so amazing. I used to have that when I was younger, my 30s and 40s, and maybe a little into my 50s. But then I started having these issues, and my blood pressure was going up and up more and more. And it's perfect right now. So I'm really glad I got rid of that other doctor. I've been meaning to do that for months on end. She never did anything except, ask, do you need any medicines refilled? Never compiling a chart of what would be good or bad for me to do or not do, or what would make me better, or can we try getting off of this med or that med? And, this man that I saw is all for that sort of thing. And that's what the plan is. So, and I really, really do believe that I owe it to keto why I am doing so much better, because that's the only thing that has changed, is trying to stay in this ketosis area and eat the proper things, and not, fill myself with pastas every other night or baked potatoes. Just, I was not eating properly at all. So anyway, I'm real excited for my health and that things are getting so much better. And so I'm going to be really